Hello, this is Jesus and Victoria from Ms. Sanchez's 6th period technology class.
This video will be teaching you how to format a picture, which includes changing the size, brightness, and copying, and etc.
First, what you want to do is open up your Microsoft Word. If you could see, I already have it on.
When your Microsoft Word on top of it shows your home page.
After you find the home page, right next to it on your right side, it says Insert.
Click on Insert. On the bottom of the insert, there's a thing called Table.
Next to the table on the right, it says Picture. Click on it and select the photo you want to format.
Or you can go to Google and look up the picture you need to pick, copy, and then come back to the Microsoft Word and paste.
And as you could see, we decided to go to Google and look up football. You don't have to look up football if you don't want to. We press the right click on the button of the mouse, go down to copy, go back to our Microsoft Word, press the right click again, and click paste. There's our picture right there. Once you have done that, click on your photo once, and on the top left, right, after you click format, once you have, it shows you the brightness of the photo. If you want to change the brightness, click on it and choose the percent you want. Okay. If you want to crop the photo, then on the top right there's a big button that says crop. When you find that, click on it, and if you notice on the photo's edges, the lines have darkened. When you click on them, you can drag them, if you could see, drag them towards where you want it to cut off the photo. If you've done more than needed, like that, you can just go back of where you really wanted it to go. Changing the size of the photo is simple. Right next to the crop button, oops, my bad. Next to the crop button, it says changing the size of the photo. On the right side of the crop, it says height and width. It shows how big it is and how wide it is. If you want it bigger, click on the button next to the number of the height. If you want it smaller, click on the lower button on the bottom of the top button. If you want the width to be wider, click on the top button just like how you did on the height, except on width. If you want the width to be smaller, then just do the opposite of what you just did. Click the bottom arrow. Next. And if you want any frames, let me just make it bigger, go back to normal. And if you wanted a frame on your photo, on the middle of everything, there's all these different frames you could put on the photo if you wanted anything. All these different kinds. Okay, that's all for today.
Thank you for watching. Lincoln Scholars are knowledgeable communicators.